Hi, in this tutorial I will show you how to compile a .c file with GCC. Then we will create basic Makefile to automate build process. Okay, so let's create hello.c file. Use your favorite text editor, I will use Vim. I will now create simple program. Use printf to say hello world. Save and quit. To compile .c file, we have to use GCC compiler. The syntax is gcc-o output file and input files. In our case, output may be hello, input hello C. Now we can run our hello program. To use make, we have to create Makefile. The first parameter is target name, in our case hello. After the colon, we must specify the files required to build our program. Make will rebuild the target only when dependencies are changed. In the new line, enter the command that make will execute. Save and quit. Now use make to run our Makefile. As you can see, make won't rebuild our program. We have to modify our source code. Let's add a new line to our printf call. Rerun make. Now it will recompile the target. We can check the output. Thanks for watching.